same plus items. I didn't think it was ever going to come out, to be quite honest. But she was like, Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Cameron. Just in case you are seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this is another episode of Vlogmas, and like I said in the day one of my Vlogmas series, I would be unboxing my AliExpress order. So if you are not new to my YouTube channel, you know how much I love shopping from AliExpress. That's like my comfort app. I love getting things for myself, my cousin. We all shop from AliExpress and we get quality items. And this time around, I got, well, not I, my cousin got like a gadget from AliExpress. I got some other things from AliExpress which I'll be unboxing on today's video. So I got about 10 plus items. Some of the items are here, some I've already given it to my sister. She's actually the original owner, so I'm going to like show you like an overlay of the video. So for the unboxing, this is the general package, like I said, and it usually comes with like your details on the body. Just make sure that the number you put is a number that they can actually reach you on, because the previous number I had on like the package on my app was a number that was not more reachable, so they had to like send me mails and contact me on my messaging app, which is like WhatsApp. But now they have like my call like details, so Speeder F is able to just call me that, oh, your package is around and I should come and pick it up. And this time around, since it is Speeder F, I am getting my orders from, I do not have to pay delivery fee. But if it was like the post office they delivered it to, I will still have to pay delivery fee since they are going to wait. Shake it. So this is the orders. So I've actually unboxed everything, but I'm going to be re-unboxing it for you. The first one came in this like yellow package, and what is inside is actually like earrings. So the first time I got like earrings from AliExpress, I got like gold accessories, and after a while they like faded away, but the silver accessories I got lasted so well. I still have a lot of it that I use, but this time around the gold accessories that I ordered for my sister, like the earring qualities are really nice. Like they do not have like this like soft stainless steel effect. Like when you touch it, it's really hard and it just looks really nice, especially if you plan to go for weddings, dinner dates, like hang out with your friends and every other thing. Make sure you get this type of earring from AliExpress. They have like different sets, really cute and nice. It is something that I would advise that you cop on for yourself, and I'm also going to be including like the links that I got all this product from in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. And if you're yet to check out like my previous AliExpress like videos, make sure you do so. I'm going to leave the link to the playlist down below. The second package is this package, and what is in the package, like I said, I've unboxed it before, is this light. So when I found out about this light, it was from TikTok. Actually like influenced me getting this light. They call it like this sunset light, but I didn't want to get the one that was only like yellow light. I wanted like the ones that had like different colors that I could try out like for my background when I want to like be creating content in 2024. And it just has like blue, it has purple, it has green, it has red, it has like the like sunset yellow that they all rave about on TikTok. So I really love how it looks like. And one thing you should also notice that when you want to use this particular light, you will need like a power bank to connect it to. So make sure you have like a power bank or a power source, if not you'll not be able to use it. And another thing is that content creators use it like they use it for their backlight to just give themselves this back red or blue or purple effect. And the third order, this order is actually like something I saw on, like I was seeing it on AliExpress, and I was like, okay, my sister wanted to get it, and I was like, she should give me one of these. So it is actually like nipple covers for people that do not like wearing bras and all of that. You can get like nipple covers from AliExpress. I am not sure of the quality of the nipple cover, but you can get it and try it out yourself. And this is just how it came in. I think when she got it, it was like in 4 packs, but each of the packs contains like nothing less than 6, so it's something you can get. And I think she had 4 packs, so if it's like 6 in 1 pack, that's about like 24 in number. So you can always get it and try it out. So if you don't want to wear your bra, you can just use the nipple cover and you're good to go, period. The next order is an hair accessory. So I have not used a hair scrunchies before. I usually use rubber bands, and I'm so guilty of it. There's one also, like there's another type of like hair packer I use that is made of clothes, although it is still manageable. But I see a lot of content creators, especially natural hair content creators, talk about scrunchies this, scrunchie that, scrunchie this, and I was like, it's actually time for me to get my own type of scrunchies. So I ordered this pack of scrunchies from AliExpress, and it came in 4 colors. So I have like the black, I have like this brown, golden brown, I have like this cream color and this golden color. So I now have like 4 scrunchies color that I can use like when I want to pack my natural hairstyles, especially like my sleek ones. I'm super excited about this particular order. I'm really excited about this, because when my cousin told me she wanted to order it, I was like, this is AliExpress, don't go and fall for a scam. And the first like electric gadget I ordered from AliExpress were like AirPods, and they still work till today. The only downside is like they have like this light that comes on and off, but other than that, like the AirPods sound so nice, and I got it in my favorite color, blue. So just like a perfect gift you can gift yourself for the holidays or any other time. So she ordered like stylus pen. When I was like, okay, AliExpress stylus pen, I didn't think it was ever going to come out, to be quite honest. When she was telling me, I was like, but it actually arrived, and she has tested it, and it works really well. So in the package, this is how the stylus pen came. It has like this really chic feel to it. I love the packaging. The packaging is giving that you have money, like, so you know that you can get some gadgets from AliExpress. Don't go and be ordering like phones, televisions on AliExpress, because I've been getting some comments on my previous AliExpress videos on if they can order like televisions. Please don't order televisions on AliExpress or phones. And I'm also going to be doing a video whereby I answer all the AliExpress questions that I've been getting on my previous videos. So if you have any personal AliExpress question, make sure you leave it down below so I can answer it in my next AliExpress video. And it is going to be in like this Vlogmas series, so make sure you ask that question when you see this video. So this is what it looks like. The overlay is going to show you like how the pencil looks like and the like, and the fact that it also came with like this hand clothes just gives it like this sort of aesthetics. And to be quite honest, it's good for people that have like long fingers, but if your fingers are tiny like mine, I'm not sure your hands are going to fit into this, but if your fingers are long, good to go. So this is a perfect gift that you can give a male, a female, you can gift any of your loved ones for the holidays. So all this like gifts items that I'm unwrapping that I ordered for myself, you can buy it and gift it to someone for the holidays. AliExpress orders takes, most times like the ones I've ordered, takes less than 2 weeks, and you're going to get your order, period. The next order is this glasses order. The previous AliExpress video I did, my sister ordered some anti-blue lights, like anti-blue ray glasses, and they were made of like, the frames were made of metals. At first I thought the metals would be the type of metals that you can like bend yourself, but no, these metals are really strong, and the glasses, they give like quality. So instead of you to go and order a frame worth 50,000, you can actually try and order this and see if your prescription glasses lens can fit into this. I personally love the black one, especially with the fact that it has like this cat's eye effect at the edge. It just makes it look like you're a bad girl, like that kind of vibe, and like you're a Texas. The only thing is that for the anti-blue ray light, anytime I wear it, it makes everywhere look a bit yellow to me. So I don't know if that is the anti-blue ray light effect it is meant to give. She gets, but other than that, it looks really nice on me. You can get it male, female. Is like a unisex form of glasses, so make sure you also get yours. I'm going to leave the link down below, so I am not ordering the link, it is down below. Just click the link in the description box and get yours, period. Another thing you need to know is that it also comes in other colors. There's like the rose gold, the the gold itself. I think this one is the rose gold, I'm not sure, but I got like she got the two colors, the black and the rose gold, so that's all on glasses. Next order is this particular order. So I actually started a business with my cousin, but we're currently on break because we want to like re-strategize on what we actually want to do for the business. So I got like this nice thank you stickers, so when we come back with the business, you are really going to love like the packaging idea we have in mind. I love when I see like packaging ideas that are really aesthetically pleasing for brands. It's always like you put us into consideration. So this is something that the business we're going to be starting, you're going to be seeing it. You're also going to be seeing some free gifts, maybe some sweets, some stickers. It depends. So make sure when I talk about like the business you order, empty your bank accounts. Like, don't worry, you're going to get quality. So just make sure you shop. That's it. Last order that is with me is this like socks. So these socks are socks that you wear like when you wear flat shoes. So instead of you to like just wear a shoe and your feet will be smelling afterward, no, we don't do that over here. You can wear these socks. They call them like cotton socks. They're similar to like ballet shoes sort of. So when you wear them, they like just keep all the sweat and everything, and you can wash it and reuse it and you are good to go. So like I said, I ordered some other items brought there with my sister. One of the items I ordered is like a purse. I got like the purse on AliExpress. Very nice quality leather, very cute blue and purple purse. The next item I ordered for her were like wall hangers. So she got two types of those wall hangers. She got the pale white one that has like stickers, and she got the transparent stainless steel one. It really is a nice one. See, I wanted to steal some of it, but I was just like, I'll order my own later. Then the next order I got for her is like this push-up bras. So people that do not want to wear bras, they don't want to wear they don't want to wear like tubes, they don't want to wear nipple covers. There's something that I saw that they call a push-up bra on AliExpress. I don't really know how that works, but I feel like it's similar to like a boot tape. So you wear it and it has like a hand that you can pull up and just gum it on top of like your shoulder, so it lifts up your breast, your boobies basically. Then the next order that she ordered were like this photo transparent frames for like a BTS cards. So if you're a BTS fan, oh my god, I don't think you've met my sister. She has a lot of their albums. When next I go to her place, I'm going to try and do like a tour of them and unboxing of all those albums, like the individual albums, the collective albums, everything. Basically almost everything, she has it. Then the last thing she got are like the cotton socks for herself also. And that's basically all on all the orders I got from AliExpress. I really loved that I was able to order all this, even with the difficulty like the government gave us in terms of like we not being able to use our normal cards. So just in case you're wondering how you can order like on AliExpress without using your normal bank card, there's like an online USD card that you can use. I have done like a video step by step on how you can set up that card. So that's the thumbnail on the screen. Ensure you check out that video. And if you have any other personal questions on how to like set up your AliExpress account, how to order the card you can use, just let me know down below. Like leave the comments down below and I'll answer it in my next AliExpress videos. Please ensure to check out my previous videos on my Vlogmas series. I am super excited to be doing this Vlogmas, so ensure to encourage me by checking it out and giving them a big thumbs up, and also just catch up with my previous content, especially my skincare Sunday videos. If you want your skin to be glowing in the year 2024, make sure you check out my skincare Sunday videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.